Daily message for today. You need to start freaking looking around and understanding that you are so blessed and lucky. You are so blessed and lucky, and you need to remember that because there are so many others that want to be in your shoes because you have it, you got it, and you're going to work through it. And you literally have so much abundance in your life. And once you start looking at those little things that you are so very lucky to have that many people don't have, that is when you're going to step into a more grateful timeline, a more positive timeline. The more that you point out the positive aspects in your life, the more positive things are going to come flooding to you because you're like, oh, universe, I'm so grateful for this, and this. Oh, they like that. I'm going to give that a lot more. It really is simple as that. It is really the mirror effect. It really is like, it's really just your reflection. That is what the universe is giving you. If you go into work every day and you say, hey, I hate this freaking job. This is absolutely dreadful. I hate my life. I hate going here. This is BS. I really just, cool. So if you say that, then they're going to be like, oh, so they want more of that. They don't know the difference between the word hate and love. It's the way that you are putting, it's the energy that you're putting out. If you are giving out negative energy, honey, you're going to get negative energy back. If you put out positive energy, oh, I love this. This is great. I'm grateful for this. This is absolutely incredible. I love this. This is fantastic. Even the littlest things, this banana is fantastic. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for the coffee that I drank this morning. It's really giving me the energy to do this job, whatever it is. And if you don't like your job, find the little things that you learned in that position or learn in that position. Thank you so much for allowing this meeting to go well. I really do appreciate that. And maybe, just maybe, if you say that, it'll allow and make the switch to maybe in 6 months you love your job. You know deep down inside if that job is for you, right? And that's why you keep putting everything into it, right? So overall, take a look around. You are so lucky. You are so abundant. You are so blessed. That is the vibe that I am getting today. Today for you, you need to remember that the positive energy that you put out, universe will say, this is the vibe that they like. This is the vibe that they want, the vibe that they want. So just be mindful, understand that's the way the cookie crumbles, right? And understand that you are the it girl. Everyone is the it girl or the it boy. This is the daily message for today. I'm so happy that you stopped by. It's a short one today, but if you want more daily messages like this, I kind of do them whenever I possibly can. So definitely stick around for the journey, but it is a little bit of oomph when you need a little positive reinforcement in your life. Definitely hit subscribe below and the like button if it really resonated. And remember to always be yourself.